Welcome to Raizo Smart Alarm Setup Tutorial. First, you need to connect the wires for the Smart Alarm Hub and Alarm Siren. Turn on the Smart Alarm Hub. Open the Raizo Smart app on your smartphone and select your smart alarm device. Next, turn on your motion sensor. Select your smart alarm device. Next, go to Accessories and select Motion Sensor. Tap Add button and wait for the connection. Done. Next, Dr. Sensor. Stay on the Motion Sensor page and tap Add Device. Wait for the connection. Done. Next, vibration sensor. Turn on the vibration sensor by pressing the button for 5 seconds. Make sure the blue and red indicator lights are on. Open the Raizo Smart app, select General Sensor, then tap Add Device. Wait for the connection. Done. Lastly, remote control. You can also control the smart alarm using the remote control. It can also be used as a panic button for elderly family members, so their children will receive a notification if anything happens while they are away from home. The next demonstration is only an example of someone trying to enter the house while no one is at home.